with blonde hair, come in the middle and dance. All the blondes. All the blondes. Here we go. All right, all the blondes, get back. If you have brown hair, come in the middle and dance. All the brown hair, all the brunettes. Woo! Come on, brunettes, make some noise. All right, brunettes, get back. All the beautiful redheads. Where's the redheads? I see a lot of beautiful redheads. That's it? Only two? There's gotta be more than two redheads. She's right there, but she won't come in. Oh, there she is! Oh, that's beautiful! All right, redheads, get back. If you have blue eyes, get in the middle. Blue! Blue eyes! All right, blue eyed ladies, get back. If you have brown eyes, get in the middle. Woo! Now reach it out. And I want the dads to sing it too. Come on. Everybody get back. Let me hear you. All right. If you have green or hazel eyes, get in the middle. Green or hazel. All right. There we go. All right. Let's get back in that circle. If you're in third grade, get in the middle. Third grade. Woo! Ooh, they're loud. There's third graders. All right, let's see if the fourth graders are louder. Fourth graders? Oh, I think the fourth graders are louder. Oh no. Oh, fourth grade. Uh-oh, fifth graders. Yeah. All right, fifth graders, let's get back. If you love to spend your dad's money, get in the middle. Ooh, that's tough. All right, let's get back. If you have a boyfriend, get in the middle. Oh no, you better not move. Oh no! Way too young, ladies, way too young.